Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you've been following my tutorial on creating animations with AI tools, you may have encountered the issue of low resolution in the resulting video. In this video, I'll show you how to enhance any video using the best AI tool I found, HitPaw Video Enhancer. HitPaw specializes in AI and aims to provide effective tools for everyone. Some of its great features include AI auto enhancement, excellent upscaling results, easy-to-use interface, support for multiple languages, watermark-free preview, batch processing, and no network requirement. HitPaw Video Enhancer is a pro-level tool that can increase video resolution up to 4K or even 8K, and it offers 4 AI models for enhancing different types of videos: General Denoise Model, Animation Model, Face Model, and Colorize Model. In this video, we'll explore the differences among these 4 AI models. Let's get started. Part 1. Installation. To begin using HitPaw Video Enhancer, you need to install the software on your computer. This software is available for both Windows and Mac OS. To download the installer, go to the HitPaw Video Enhancer page and click on the Try It Free button. If you decide to purchase the software, you can use my link in the video description to get a 50% discount. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the instructions to install the software. Once the installation process is finished, HitPaw Video Enhancer will automatically open. You can register your software by clicking on the key button and entering your email and registration code. Part 2. General Denoise Model. To enhance your video, simply click on the Choose File button and select your video. You can then select the AI model for your enhancement process. In the export settings, you can choose your output resolution and file format. Before starting the video enhancement, you can preview the effect model by clicking on the Preview button. Once everything is set, click on the Export button to start the process. This AI video enhancer provides a general model for improving video quality by removing noise from videos and making them clear and pristine. Here is the output from this enhancement AI model. Part 3. Animation Model. HitPaw Video Enhancer also includes an exclusive AI model designed specifically for repairing animation videos. This model can perfectly restore the clarity and upscale the resolution of anime videos. Here is the output from this enhancement AI model. Part 4. Face Model. When it comes to repairing details of human faces in videos, HitPaw Video Enhancer doesn't disappoint. With its video enhancement capabilities, you can easily upgrade the video quality and make faces in videos flawless again. Here is the output from this enhancement AI model. Part 5. Colorize Model. If you have an old homemade movie or a 60s MV that only contains black and white footage, you can try HitPaw Video Enhancer's AI Upscale tool to discover the vivid colors. HitPaw Video Enhancer is not only a video resolution enhancer, but also a video quality enhancer. Thank you for watching this AI video enhancement tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support me. See you in the next AI video tutorial. Bye bye.